guys, welcome back. So today's video, I am going to be reviewing and trying out the eyebrow pomades from the brand Beat by Court Bow Brows. I was sent 3 shades. I was sent taupe, soft brown, and ebony. So I'm going to give this a try today and we're going to see how they work. Now I do have my eyebrows on now, just for this intro, but I am going to be taking them off. I have a makeup wipe right here and I'm going to start from scratch. You know what? I am going to go ahead and take these out of the boxes. I'm going to be reviewing these brow pomades, but I'm only going to review one color so that I can give the rest of them away to you guys, because I am so thankful and so blessed that you guys watch my videos, for those of you who do anyways, and those of you who are interested in sitting here and listening to me talk for 15 minutes. Ooh, good packaging. This is really nice packaging. Here's what the inside looks like, the inside of the box, and it's just like a brow pomade. It reminds me of the Milani packaging for their brow product. I like this packaging way more. It's like really sleek and nice. Before I start this video, I just want to give a disclaimer. I was sent these products for free. I did not pay for them myself. I did not order them. The company did send them to me, but that does not mean I will not give my full opinion. This video is going to be my full and honest opinion, regardless if I receive a product or not. I want to always be honest with you guys. So I am going to try this out and I am going to give my full opinion. And the company knows that I'm going to give my full opinion. It looks like I'm going to be giving away 2 taupe shades and an ebony shade. So stay tuned until the end of this video to watch and see how to win those. I'm going to go ahead and take my eyebrows off. Start from scratch, you know? I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush just that I have laying around, just a regular eyeliner brush. And what I like to do is, at first I'll take like a makeup wipe or just some water and dampen it, and then I like to pull the fibers from the brush upwards, just so that it's got a really nice sharp edge on it and it gives me something good to work with. Here's what the inside looks like. I'm going to go ahead and just swatch it. Oh my god, that is like super freaking creamy. Holy crap. Look how freaking pigmented that is. At least I like the texture of it better than the Milani. The Milani one can tend to get a little bit drying and hard. Like I said, I haven't opened these, so I'm not sure how they work after a while, but look, I don't even, if you look really close, I barely have to dip my brush in and I get a good bit of product. So I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand. I'm going to just be using this plain spoolie that I have just to brush my brow hairs. First I'm going to brush them up. Here we go. I hope I like it. It's one of the softest brow products I think I've ever worked with. Another thing I really like, I know I keep comparing this to the Milani one, but that's because that's the one that I used to love. But the Milani one just seems, for some reason, to be an orangey brown. If you like to really define your brows more than just fill them in, you're really gonna like this. Now, I've never used the Anastasia brow pomade, so I'm sure that could compare to this. Good or bad, I don't know, because I've never tried it. But I usually don't freaking like pomades just because they're so messy, they take forever. You saw this did not take me long at all. Here are the shades that I was sent: soft brown, ebony, and taupe. Here is the color range. They're so smooth, so pigmented. So if you're blonde or you're like an ashy blonde, this taupe color would work really good for you. It's got more of like a gray tone in it. If you have super dark brows, ebony is gonna work good for you. If you are darker skinned with darker hair, ebony will work great for you. It's super dark. If you usually use a black, this will probably suffice just the same. And then my shade is soft brown, which is like a dark blonde, light brown hair type anyways. There's two problems actually that I see with this. One, my brush isn't that good. It's super soft. Having a soft brush and soft product makes to have kind of like messy. My brush is really like flimsy. If you get a stiffer eyeliner or eyebrow brush, either one will work. It's gonna work better for you. It's not gonna be as messy, but this still applied really good for having a crappy brush. The second thing, it is so creamy. You will have to set this, probably with either a clear gel or tinted, doesn't matter. I can see if I would like rub my finger, it is kind of tacky where I could feel it would come off. Other than that, this is one of the best brow products I've ever used. One good thing I really do like about this is the packaging and how much you get. That's a lot of product. Okay, so that is the end of this review. Big thumbs up for this. I also want to give a huge big thank you to Courtney who sent me all of these. I really appreciate it. She was so nice and sweet. She even was excited for me to do a giveaway for you guys. So I just want to thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to review your products. I really appreciate it. I can't thank you enough. If you want details for the giveaway, they will be in the description box down below, and they'll also be on my Instagram, which will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.